Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Finally, Virgin Orbit fly. I was actually at the airport, the space station, a few weeks ago. And if you want to see when Cosmic Girl landed, and I was there live, and I interviewed the Times and Channel 4, and I even spoke to the angry astronaut. That was an interesting one. Click up here and that will take you to my Virgin Orbit video. And you can actually go there and see me live at the space station in the UK. But do you want to know when it's going to fly? Do you want to know when the stock price is going to go up? Well, you got to pay for that. You've got to click the smash the like button. Have you done that? You click the smash the like button? All right. There's one more thing I'm going to ask you to do. And that is you've got to click subscribe. And ring the bell so you get breaking news. And we're going to be here live when Cosmic Girl takes off, because it arrived from Fort Lauderdale from the United States in Cornwall in the UK a few weeks ago. I was there, and now we're going to see Cosmic Girl take off. So this is it. We've got 2 bits of information to share with you, and so we hopefully you'll tune in live with us on the flight day. Right, we've got 2 bits of information. First of all, you see it here on the official rocketlaunch.live website. Excuse me. Virgin Orbit Cosmic Girl 747 Boeing from Virgin Airlines will take off on December the 14th. There you go. December the 14th. That's when it takes off. We'll be here live with it. So we'll be trying to get Andrew Grady. I think it's Andrew Grady, one of our researchers from Cornwall. Hopefully he might even be there for the flight. So that would be pretty cool. Anyway, Virgin Orbit to launch UK's first space flight next Wednesday, weather permitting. Weather permitting. You'd think that this would have nothing to do with the weather, but unfortunately it does. So let's have a little bit of a zoom in, shall we? This is Cosmic Girl, and it's a regular 747 that's been fitted out. As I say, I was there a few weeks ago. It's cool to see it though. Anyway, let's have a little look. Virgin Orbit could launch the first space flight from UK soil from next Wednesday. Stick with me a minute. I'm going to give you a price target of where I think the price is going to go for this stock, because I've been following it very closely now for months. So stick with me. And let's go through it right now. That date will be the first of its expected launch. Hang on. That date will be the first of its expected launch window for the Start Me Up mission, the company said, according to a report on Twitter. Though the weather or technical issues could push the eventual date back further. We were already going to fly in November. Even though we've got delays here with Virgin Orbit, we've had a 100% success rate. So we do need to sort of specify that they've been very reliable. Their flights have all gone off to plan. Just because they're delayed, that's not really a major concern, really. Virgin Orbit says the launch window for its historic flight from Cornwall in the UK will open on December the 14th. There we go. And Virgin Orbit has recently forced to abandon attempted fundraising, blaming unfavourable. Forced to abandon an attempted fundraising. Do they mean an attempted flight? That seems a bit strange. Anyway. Maybe that's correct. Blaming unfavourable market conditions, having just gone cap in hand to founder Sir Richard Branson for a 25 million cash top-up. Okay, they were trying to raise funds, and the problem there, you see, is their stock price is so low. So this is what I want to bring back to it right now. If we go back to the stock price, I've been following Virgin Orbit for a while. Even though I've got shares in it, I've got a very small position in it. It's a stock that doesn't like itself. What I mean by that is, when I was there, I interviewed some of the people, got to speak to some of the people who work at Virgin Orbit, and there's great faith in the technology, but little faith in the stock price. Okay, it just pops up and pops back down again. So my actual price target for this is probably $4. Even though it's a sort of thing I'd like to keep because I love what the company does, you know what? I'll just sell it. And that's awful. I hate scalping stuff like this, which is innovative and could do so well in the future. But the company itself don't have belief in their own stock price. The fact they're going cap in hand, sort of begging for money from Sir Richard Branson and trying to raise funds, they can't do it because the stock price is too low. If it was higher, though, what they would do is they would dilute the stock. They can't do it when it's down this low. So that tells you what's going to happen. it tells you that will pop up on the flights. Everybody will sell it and dump it, as will I. I won't get greedy, because if you try and get greedy, you'll miss the pump. You'll drop before you've sold it. And if it does go up and stay up, the first that's going to happen is Virgin Orbit are going to raise funds by diluting the stock, and then you're down anyway. So right now, it's one to scalp trade. It's a shame, because in the future, it will be a great company and a great stock. But right now, it's pretty worthless, to be honest. It will go up to $4. I'll double my money, thereabouts. I'll sell it and I'll be gone. Because if I don't sell it, everybody else will. And not only that, when it gets diluted, which it will, to raise money, then it will go down anyway. So you might as well buy it when it goes back down again. So as soon as it pops up, I don't know, 350, 450, it's not going to go much. It doesn't do much. Sell it and then take your money out. That's my price target. Anyway, what do you think? Leave the comments below. I will reply to your comment. Did you smash the like button? Was it worth a like? And did you click subscribe above my head? I hope so. There you go. And until we meet again on another live show, if you click up here, that will take you to my full playlist of the Virgin Orbit playlist, and we'll be with you live on the flight day, and we'll follow the whole thing. It'll be very, very cool. Until next time, take care of yourselves